Saya Dinda Fahmi with NPM 23411044 from Management Class 23J. Dear Lecturer Adi Chandra, SMMM, as the lecturer for teacher the Business Mathematics course. Here we'll fulfill the Business Mathematics segment. Watch the following video. What is a linear function? Basically, definition of a linear function is a relationship that varies every member in set A with another member in set B. All member in set A must vary with the member in set B. This linear function is also called the line equation strike atau PGL. As stated very firstly, functions in the world of mathematics are closely related to the elements that form them, namely variable, coefficient, and constant. So, a linear function is the function that from graph in a straight line. This linear function is also the function that has assigned the axis for with a variable equal to 1. Linear function. Formula the general from a linear function is as follows. Fx mendekat mx plus c or can also be fx sama dengan mx plus c, or it can also be y sama dengan mx plus c. Information: m gradient or slope, c constant. Well, this linear function will not be far from graphical definition, so once you have to do it, you have to pay attention to the following steps. Determine the interaction point with the x-axis dan y sama dengan 0 absent from coordinates x1, 0. Determine the interaction point with the y-axis dan x 0 absent from coordinates b 0, y1 connecting to points A and B will form a straight line. A linear equation which is then written as y ax plus b. If b is positive, then the linear function will be drawn from the bottom left to top right. If b is negative, then the linear function will be drawn from the top left to bottom right. If b is null, then the linear function will be drawn by line parallel to the flat x-axis. Linear function and their application. A linear function is a type of mathematical function that has the following general form. Fx sama dengan ax plus b. Here, fx is the output of the function. X is the input. A is called the slope coefficient, which determine how steep or sloping the function graph is. B is called the shift constant intercept, which determines the point at which the graph of the function intersects the y-axis. The application of linear function are very broad, including in areas such as mathematics. In mathematics, linear functions are used to describe a proportional relationship between two variables. For example, the straight line equation relates time to the distance traveled by an object in rectilinear motion. Economics. Linear functions are often used in economic analysis to describe the relationship between various economic variables such as demand and price, production cost, and other. Physics. In physics, the equation of rectilinear motion is based on the linear function to describe the movement of objects in a straight line at constant speed. Engineering. In engineering, linear functions are used in various contexts such as electrical circuit analysis, system control, and data modeling. Statistics. Linear functions are used in statistics to model the relationship between independent and dependent variables in linear regression. Computer graphics. In computer graphics, linear functions are used to transform objects in 2D or 3D space, such as rotation, translation, and scaling. These are just a few examples of application of linear function. but the basic principle is to describe a linear relationship between two variables which can be expressed in the form of a straight line equation. Example equation and discussion. Question 1, there is linear function that is fx sama dengan 6x plus b. Determine the form of the function. It is known that f4 sama dengan 8. Solution, fx sama dengan 6x plus b. f4 sama dengan 6x plus b min 8. 8 sama dengan 6x 4 plus b. B 8 min 24, B sama dengan min 16, fx sama dengan 4x min 16. A linear function is a mathematical function defined by a linear equation, namely an equation involving variable in the power of on the are added or subtracted by constant. The general form linear function is fx sama dengan x plus b, where and b were constant. Example of application of linear function in everyday life are as follows. 1. Profit function in business. Linear functions are of use to calculate profits. For example, in one product is sold 1,000 rupiah and production costs are 5,000 rupiah. Then for can be calculasi with the linear function fx sama dengan 50x, where is the number of products sold. 2. Line equation function. In the field of geometry, linear functions are used to describe line equation. For example, the equation of the line y. 2x plus 3 shows a line with a gradient y and the interaction point with the y-axis is 3. Velocity function in physics, linear functions are used to calculate velocity. For example, if the distance traveled by a car is 50 km in 2 hours, then the car's weight can be calculated using two linear function fx sama dengan 50 per 2 sama dengan 20 hour x time traveled. Income function in economic linear function are used to calculate income. For example, if the selling price per unit of product is 10,000 rupiah and the number of units sold is 100, the reference can be calculated with the linear function fx sama dengan 10x, where x is the number of units sold. 5. Exclamation function in the engineering linear function are used to calculate electricity consumption. For example, if the electricity tarif per kWh is 1.000 rupiah and electronic devices. That's all the material I can provide. If there are any sort of comments in my delivery regarding the material I provided, I apologize. I end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.